How's it going, everyone? Today I will be showing you how to get to Long Island from LaGuardia Airport. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do is to make your way to baggage claim. This will depend on which gate you arrive at, but it's generally the same. Once you make your way down this long escalator, you'll arrive at baggage claim. Here you can collect your belongings and then make your way towards the bus transportation site. Be on the lookout for signs overhead. The bus that you want to take is called the Q70 or LaGuardia Link. This bus is free to ride. Alright, you can go ahead and pause the video here to look at the map, but you'll want to take the Q70 to Woodside Avenue and 61st Street. And here comes the bus. It should arrive every 15 minutes or so. Remember, the bus is the Q70 with the words LaGuardia Link. Alright, once you're on the bus, you can go ahead and leave your belongings on that rack over there. And just so you're aware, there may be 2 to 3 stops to get to Woodside Avenue. However, this depends on what terminal you arrive at and if there are any detours at your time of travel. Okay, so we've made it to Woodside Avenue and 61st Street. Once off the bus, you'll want to take a left turn here and make your way down this long sidewalk. At the end of the sidewalk, go ahead and make a right turn onto 61st Street. From here, walk to the end of the sidewalk until you see the stoplights. Once you're at the stoplight, go ahead and cross the street when it's safe. Make your way up these stairs to Woodside Station. You'll want to download the MTA Train Time app to buy your tickets, or you can purchase physical tickets here as well. Choosing which station to stop at depends. I recommend choosing the station closest to where you plan to stay. In this video, I will be going to Deer Park Station. If you prefer purchasing physical tickets, you can purchase them here at the ticket office. In the Train Time app, you can see that I've selected to travel from Woodside Station to Deer Park Station. I'm looking to take the 542 train. You'll note that it says Hempstead and Ronkonkoma. These aren't necessarily the train stations that I will be traveling to, but they are the trains that will get me to where I want to go. Additionally, take a look at where it says transfer. In most cases, you'll have to take a transfer at Jamaica. If you're flying into JFK Airport, you can take the air train directly to Jamaica. And finally, take a look at what track number your train is at. In my case, it's track number 4. If you don't see a track number yet, you might have to wait a while. Here's a sign that updates regularly. You can see the Hempstead train takes off at track number 4. If you get lost or have any questions, feel free to ask the ticket office. Look for signs that will tell you your estimated arrival for your train. Also listen for when your train will arrive to your station. Now just before entering the train, you'll see that there is a limited amount of space and room. For larger luggages, you may have to stay and stand right here. For smaller carry-on items, you may place it above the seats in the overhead space. Now that I have arrived to Jamaica Station, I will want to open up the Train Time app one more time. Here in the Train Time app, it says that I need to take the Ronkonkoma train line to get to my destination. So I'll go ahead and look for signs that tells me which track the Ronkonkoma train line is. In this case, it is track number 4. So I'll go ahead and make my way to track number 4.
This train will make its next stop at Wyandanch, Deer Park, Brentwood, Central Islip, and Ronkonkoma.
Once you're in the train, be prepared to wait. To get to Deer Park Station, it's going to take about an hour. Okay, now that I have arrived to Deer Park Station, I can go ahead and take an Uber, Lyft, or any rideshare program to my Airbnb, hotel, or rental car service. And that's it, you've made it to Long Island.